We've always felt sustainability is important. The way we look at it is that we're given a certain amount of resources to make a crop, and we see it as our responsibility to get the most pounds of potatoes out of those resources that we put into the ground. My family's had a sustainability mindset since 1928 when my great-grandpa first started growing potatoes. The potatoes we grow here will be made into all the different types of potato chips that Frito Lay makes. One of the biggest things we can do is to make potato chips out of every potato we grow. In the field, and once they're harvested, we do everything we can to make sure that those potatoes last until they get into the fryer at a Frito Lay potato chip plant. We pay particular attention to how we manage water. Water is a pretty precious resource, and so it's really important for us to make sure that we don't use more water than we need to. We're looking at a soil moisture probe, which is a system we use to measure the crop moisture. It communicates through this radio to our computer, and it helps the guys that are running the irrigators know how much water to apply. So the harvester goes through the field and it's lifting the potatoes, shaking out all the dirt. Those potatoes then are dumped into a crop cart. And then that crop cart might dump into the truck. And from there, then that truck leaves the field and then comes here to the shed. When it gets to the shed, it backs up to the wash line where it delivers the potatoes into the line. The potatoes go into what we call a Hydra Sorter, and that's basically a tank of water that allows the rocks and dirt lumps to fall to the bottom. When we use the water to wash the potatoes, we collect it in a settling pond. We pump that back out through an irrigation system to a field. It might be corn or soybeans or some field of another crop. From there, they go on to grading tables where people are looking at the potatoes as they go by, trying to pick out anything that looks like it won't make a good potato chip. Finally, they go across the piler and load it into a semi, where then they go to the plant. They're made into chips within 24 hours, give or take. We've always recognized the importance of being very responsible with the resources that we have, and we're always looking for new and improved ways to continue down our sustainability path.